Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the compartment dispenser for Samsung front-load washing machine. Now, the Samsung front-load washing machine provides a 3-compartment dispenser. The left compartment for the main wash, the middle compartment for the fabric softener, and the right compartment for the preliminary wash. So do stay with me till the end as I show you how to use this compartment dispenser to get the best results for your laundry. So let's begin with the main wash compartment. Now here you can apply your main wash detergent, that is your liquid or powder detergent. Now if you're in an area with a hard water supply, you can apply your water softener in this main wash compartment. You know, hard water isn't good for your laundry. So if you're in those areas with hard water, you can just apply your water softener in this compartment. The same applies to the soaking detergent. You just apply it in this main wash compartment. Many people keep asking me where to apply bleach. Now, if you're going to use bleach, just apply it in the main wash compartment. So, now, let's move to the softener compartment. Now, this softener compartment, you can easily identify it with the flower symbol. So, here, you just apply your additives, such as fabric softener. While at it, make sure you do not exceed the maximum limit. Lastly, you have the pre-wash compartment. So here, you can apply your pre-wash detergent or starch. That's it. Now, while at it, make sure to use the correct amount of detergent, because this Samsung front-load washing machine is economical on detergent. If you use excessive detergent, if you use too much detergent, your machine could, your laundry could require an extra rinse just to get rid of the extra detergent. But in the worst case scenario, your machine could display the SUD error, So make sure to use the correct amount of detergent. Now, if you're experiencing the SUD error, I have a comprehensive video on how to clear and fix the SUD error. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go have a look at it. Now, this detergent dispenser requires a regular cleaning. If you don't clean it properly, a lot of soap scum and mold could build up in this dispenser, resulting in a smelly washing machine. I have done a comprehensive video on how to clean the detergent dispenser. I'll leave a link in the description. I've also done a valuable video on liquid versus powder detergent, so you can find out which is the best. We've come to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.